This is Kiki, owner of Self-Care Apparel, and we're back with another video. Today's video, we're going to press our shirts again. We're pressing all shirts. So, I have to get Instagram in here. You gotta see what we're doing. So I'm going to do this. It's still gotta get a little cool here. Cool. Let's see. Okay. And there. We're gonna press it like so again. And there you have it. I think it's okay. I think it's in the middle. If it's not in the middle, I still like it. No, it's kind of like center off. I still like it though. That's one shirt. Do I have a ruler in here? I see my ruler. I'm going to lift it up. Okay. Alright. On to our next shirt. Our design. It to be. We just gonna press like so. With like press on here. Gonna lightly press it. Do I got the sizing stickers? Because I'm ripping these off like crazy. We're gonna let it cook. We're gonna let that cook. It's gotta cook in there. We're gonna let it cook. We're gonna let it cook before we do this. We're gonna let it cook. Gotta cook on in there. It's gotta cook on in there. One thing I like about Ninja Transfers, when you see a highlight like that, like you see how the H and all that is already sink in. It's sinking in now. So we gotta let it continue to sink in. I could just peel it already, but I'm not. I'm letting everything sink in. See, it's showing my designs is already, yeah, it's showing everything that's already coming in there. I could just easily do that. And look at there. Look at there. Let it cook. And we're going to give it a second press for the best quality. And there you have it, y'all. Now I think that is in its center. Look at it. I'm loving these shirts and how they're coming out. So let's do one on another colored shirt. This time it's on I call this a teal. I call this a teal. We're going to get my handy dandy ruler in here. Get my handy dandy ruler. And once again, we're going to center it right. Because I think I center most of mine like over there. But it's okay. I'm going to center it right. That is good for me. I'm going to still. That's good for me. We're about to press this again. Alright. Let it cook. Let it cook. I love my phone monitor. Y'all, like TikTok Shop did their big one with that. I love my phone monitor. I can just, whew, I love it. Let it cook. I can lift it up. It's not done. It needs, and it's on there too, y'all. So it's not gonna let me snag it off. It's on there. I'm gonna do the most with it. I'm gonna massage it on in there. And still none. Can't even. Now, up, see the A? The A is there. Okay. Okay. I see the A is there. The A is there. I see the E. I see it now. Oh. Okay. Oh, a little bit of the heart. Now, you know when the design is done, everything else got to. Ooh. We got some. Ooh. I just love these little pills. Here to press you, so you will stay with us and forever, evermore. Let's capture this one. Alright. And here it is on a colored shirt. So cute. Last one. Bring this down. Last one. Get my ruler. Align them up. I like this right here. I like it perfect like that right there. I like it so perfect. I'm gonna scoot it up just an inch. Scoot it up like that. Then press. I could have scooped some of them up, but they're good. They're good. They're good. They're good. Alright, I'm gonna let that one work its magic. I done showed y'all repeatedly how to unpeel and all that. So if you like more videos like this, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll be back with another video. Bye.